Hello, today we are not going to do some serious arithmetic math stuff. Today we are just going to play a simple game. It's called Futoshiki, which literally translates to unequal in Japanese. Okay, so you can see a 4 by 4 grid over here, and we have to fill it with numbers. We have few rules in order to fill this. The first rule is use numbers 1 to 4. This is the range we have to use, and numbers means natural numbers. In fact, if you are playing it with an n by n square grid, then you have to fill in with the numbers 1 to n. So that's the rule. The second rule is what makes it relatable to Sudoku, that you don't have to repeat. Don't have to repeat numbers in a row or column, which means that if you have a 1 here, you cannot have a 1 there, nor can you have there. If you have a 2 here, you cannot have it there or in this row. No repetition allowed. The third rule is what makes this unique. Okay, so can you see these signs here? This is the inequality sign. This tells me that the number that is present in this cell must be greater than this cell. Okay, it does not tell me anything about the rest of the cells. It just tells me about these two adjacent cells. So likewise, the number in this cell is greater than that cell. The number in this cell is greater than that cell. So now let's go ahead and try to solve this. The third rule is follow the signs. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to solve this one. So this is the largest number, this is the second largest number, this is the third largest number. In fact, that's the smallest number. Okay, so what are the numbers that can be filled? 4, 3 and 1. Smallest number goes in here, so 1 goes in here without any doubt. 3 goes in here because it's smaller than 4, greater than 1. 4 goes in here. Next, can 4 go in there? I don't think so, because 4 has to be something smaller than this one. Can you see this range? You cannot have a number larger than 4, so it cannot go in here. It cannot go in here because you cannot have a number larger than 4. So the only place that remains in this row is this one, for 4. Next, you cannot put a 2 in here, so 2 goes in here. So the number that is left, 3, goes in there. A 1 and a 4. You cannot put a 4 in there. The reason is because you cannot have a number larger than 4. So 1 goes in here, 4 goes in here. 4 cannot go in this column. So it must be here, I guess, because 4 needs to be filled in this row. It cannot be here, so it goes in here. The number that is left is 3. Now what about these stuff? Okay. So something smaller, 1 cannot go in there, so 2 goes in here because 3 and 2 are the only thing that we can fill in this column. 3 must go in here, 2 must go in there because 3 is greater than 2, and we are left with 2, 3, 4, we are left with 1, 3, 4, 1, 2 is there. Whoa! Solved it over. Thank you for watching.